Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. Have a lot of things going on at my house today. Got the dogs barking, had workers here, so I'm running a little wild and crazy. The stats from yesterday said that y'all are listing homes. You listed 148 yesterday and the day before. So that is awesome. Please keep that up for this weekend. I will do the stats on Monday. We'll see how April played out, see if we were actually at $475,000, which we talked about the other day, that our median price has gone up and how to use that to your advantage when you are trying to list homes, and that is to show the sellers how much equity they have. And then with the interest rates, they can take that equity right now while they're still reasonable. Interest rates are reasonable. Yes, they've gone up, but they've been higher. I got into the business in 1987. They were 15 to 17%. So if you want a challenge, that was it, believe me. Anyway, so we'll know on Monday if we ended up April at 475. I would suggest, in my opinion, that that's where it's going to be. But again, use this so that you can show sellers the equity they have and what they can possibly do with that equity, because it's dead money. They can buy another home, downsize, upsize. They can buy an investment property to bring in additional income. So in any event, no matter, you're helping people, whether they list with you or not, you're still helping them, giving them the accurate, when you give them the accurate value of their home before you contact them. If you're doing the 5, 5, and 5 in your farm, do individual, oops, I got a cough. Hang on, hold on. Sorry about that. So if you are, they can get an investment property, they can take a HELOC out, get money out of their house, refinance it, take some cash out, buy another home that brings them income. And what a great time to do this, because of the, there's a high demand for rentals as well as for single family homes, condos, and townhomes.